permission for admission. Our audition to transition from a come from away.
To be a Newfoundlander.
The only other way, at any rate, is pass away and pray to fate and wait to reincarnate.
As a Newfoundlander, hey, hey, come on inside. Nothing ventured, nothing tried.
Only a couple people cry.
To be a Newfoundlander, hey, hey, sit down right here. You'll feel better in a year.
Try to ignore your doubts and fears.
And you'll be a Newfoundlander.
First part is the easiest, we'll soon get to the queasiest. I'll need you to repeat this mess.
When you become a Newfoundlander.
Speaks a different language, son. We add some S's and some rum. You'll have to try a good cat.
When you become a Newfoundlander, hey, hey, just do your best. Nothing scary, nothing yet.
You'll have to change the way you dress.
And you'll be a Newfoundlander, hey, hey, to sing along. Nothing ventured, just belongs.
30 verses in this song.
And you'll be a Newfoundlander.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Screech. Now, back in World War II, an officer was stationed here, and he was offered some of this stuff. Now, all the locals were tossing it back with nary quiver, so he does too, and lets out this ear-piercing, "Oh!" Everybody comes to see what's happened and says, "What was that ungodly screech?" And now it's your turn. Are you ready? Good, all together now. One, two, three. Down the hatch.
A screech is basically bad Jamaican rum.
Screech is horrific.
Screech is delicious.
And then they brought the cod.
The cod.
The cod.
The cod.
Now with every transformation comes a tiny bit of risk. You gotta walk the plank and there'll be blood or there'll be bliss. And it's the same to be a Newfoundlander, every person's wish. So don't be dumb, just take the plunge. Go on, kiss the fish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a genuine, freshly caught Newfoundland cod. And if he wants to become a honorary Newfoundlander, you're gonna have to give her a smooch.
If you kiss that, I will never kiss you again.
I'll risk it. Mwah.
Two,
I'm not kissing a fish.
Oh, go on. I will if you will.
Oh my God, fine.
three.
No, I can't do it.
But I just did.
You gotta kiss the cod, it's a vital part of the ceremony.
I can't do it.
All right then, listen here, I'll make you a deal. Either you kiss this fish, or else you kiss this Englishman you're not married to.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Whoa!